Problem 52 asks us to simplify this long radical expression. The first step would be to take the square root of 4, which is 2. This 13 is not divisible by the 2, so we're going to break the 13 down to an x squared times x times 1. Y to 11th, we're going to break that down to a y10 times y1. So 12 divided by 2 gives us x to the 6th, and 10 divided by 2 gives us y to the 5th. And what are we left with on the inside? Just an x and then y. Second term, this x to the 9th isn't divisible by 2, so we're going to break that down to an x to the 8 times x to the 1. And this y to 11th, we're going to break that down by a y10 times y1. So we're going to rewrite the 9 on the outside. So 8 divided by 2 becomes 4. So we're going to be left with x squared times x to the 4th on the outside, which really becomes x to the 6th when you add them together. Then we're going to do 10 divided by 2, and we're going to get y to the 5th. And what are we left with on the inside? X and y. Minus the 5. The x to 11th, we're going to break that down to a y10 and y1 again. And y to the 9th, we're going to break that down to a y8 and y1 again. So 10 divided by 2 gives us a 5, so we're left with x1 times x5, which gives us x6. And y8, the 8 divided by 2 gives us a 4, so we're left with y1 times y4, which is y5. And we're left with on the inside x and y. Now once again in this problem, since each of these terms are exactly the same, we can combine the coefficients in front. So 2 plus 9 is 11, minus 5 becomes 6, x to the 6th, y to the 5th, radical xy. You can't simplify this any further, so your final answer for 52 is 6x to the 6th, y to the 5th, radical xy.